Hi there, Casey Healy, Director here at Century 21 Novocastrian in Newcastle, back with you for our Monday wrap, keeping Newcastle investors up to date on what's happening in the current rental market, tips, tricks and strategies to maximise your return on your investment. Nick, it's been a big month.
A huge month and already into December and...
What, 3 working weeks left before Christmas?
Pause button, we need to take a breath.
We do before we do those 30 ingoings all due before Christmas.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, it's 40 something between the two teams, or the two pods of property managers.
So is now the time that I don't really want to say I've got another couple coming up? Do they not want to hear that right now?
Yeah, they probably won't appreciate it. But hey, I will.
Hey girls, it's coming.
Just watch the video, we'll inform you here. What's happened this month?
So in the last month, or for the last 30 days, we actually had 1,022 inquiries, 27 inspections held by the team, 248 tenants inspected. Applications received was 525. They're busy, as always. And out of that, we actually leased 23 properties for the last 30 days. And on average, the rent was $555, like across the board on all those properties. Yeah. But what's really exciting is our average days on market over the 30 days was 6 days. That is so low in regards to what's, industry standard.
And what sales is happening with other agencies. I'm very proud of that. It's one of our big achievements, because we understand how much it costs the landlord while having that property vacant. So being able to minimise that vacancy really does put more money in their back pocket.
Absolutely. And the really last thing I want to touch on is above 13% of the properties were leased above the listed price. So, what an amazing result for all our investors.
It is, and it's also telling us how tough it is out there in the rental market. So prices are pushing up, and there is definitely a squeeze on availability of properties and suitability of properties for people out there looking. So when tenants are applying, and this is a tip to all tenants, make sure you submit your application really early. Always add a covering letter telling us your story. It makes processing your application so much easier, but also when we're talking with landlords about your application, being able to tell them some background story about you can always win over your application as well, and make sure all documentation, so your pay slips, your ID and everything is current and up to date. So I don't know, it's been smashed over the radio here in Newcastle over the last couple of days about the 2.5% increase in properties over the month of November. So yes, properties are still increasing, and we're increasing at this stage, or last month we increased at a higher rate than Sydney, which was great for the Newcastle property market. But what we're finding and what we're seeing at the moment is there's a bit of an oversupply of properties, and there's a few properties on the market at the moment. So savvy investors, now's your opportunity to get in and buy a property prior to Christmas, or probably it'd settle in the new year now, but actually taking advantage of that slight oversupply of stock that's available in the market. So definitely there's an increase in stock levels. We can see that just locally on properties available and signs around, just driving around. So savvy investors, get in and take note. Money's still cheap, so definitely a good time to invest in that Newcastle market. We filled our 2 trainee positions that we had advertised. So we've got 2 new trainees starting with our agency in 2022. So they're going to start with us on the 17th of January. So Xanthi and Charlie will be welcome to our team. We're really excited to bring these girls through our trainee program and really educate them and show them along the way, while having complete guidance from our senior property managers to start their career in property management. I think it's a really exciting space for us as an agency to be able to do this trainee program, but also for them as employees to kickstart from the best.
What a team to come into and be part of.
If you've forgotten or you haven't seen our Christmas competition, it is on our website under the About Us tab. We still have It's available until the Christmas Eve, I think that's drawn. So there's letters to Santa where you'll get a reply, but also our colouring in competition. Now we're making it really fair. It's not about the best colouring in competition, like it's not about the best. It's just going to be a run through on some type of internet site where we'll put all of the applicants and the entries in, and it'll just be auto-generated pickup. But there's a great little prize there with the Nintendo Switch and the Fuji camera, Insta camera, I think it's called, Instapic or something.
What a great prize for Christmas Eve.
The kids would love it. So let's get our Christmas spirit in. We also have our Chrissy tree up here in the office, and we are, as staff this year, rather than buying a secret Santa for each other, we're all going to donate to John Hunter Children's Hospital. So if you'd like to leave a gift, we will be taking those all up to the John Hunter Children's Hospital. It's here in our office, and we believe it's a time of giving, so let's give to the less fortunate. Kind of put some smiles on the kids' faces.
Yeah, that'll be
Chrissy
nice.
is about the family and the kids.
Definitely.
That's our Monday wrap. If we can help you with your investment property, if you have any questions in relation to that, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm Casey Healy, Director here at Century 21.
I'm Nicole Hoare, Investor Consultant.
We'll talk with you next week.
Bye.
Bye.